here. We're going right down the middle.
Aye, right out the middle. An inverted
We're not
mohawk.
getting the choice in this game. Go down the middle, girls.
No.
What have I cut?
Yeah.
You won't cut me, it's a pair of clippers.
Oh my god.
Nah, run for off.
Look! Girls, look at that.
I want to shave it.
I think I might have more hair now than your daddy.
Weird.
What did you think of that head, Robin?
The girls want a shot?
Girls,
Yeah.
what?
I think a girl should have a shot.
Yeah, go
What
Allah.
shot?
Go Allah.
Maybe do the bit that's far away from your ear and then let him do the bit that's close to you. That's a really
Nah,
good
we're
choice.
pushing.
Right, who wants a shot?
Then jump down then, go.
Right, girls, get a shot, hurry up, jump
We can
down.
let the wee bit like Danny DeVito first.
What?
Danny DeVito, there we go.
We need to attack it through all angles though, so that we're tough to bit.
You're not that too bits, but let's make you look like.
Right, come on, girls.
Right, girls, get a clippers and get a shot. Robin, you get a shot.
There you go.
Right, go Allah. Right, you can't cut me, boy, you
You
go.
can't cut him
You
right.
can't cut me, you go.
Put it in like this, right?
Right, come for
Oh,
this
well
side.
done.
This bit here, get all these bits here. Right, give me your hand, and I'll help you. So you look. Right, get it that way. Grab it there,
Robin,
Robin.
Robin, your turn.
You come and help me, hurry up, quick.
Right, come in. That joke, jump it, move it.
Hey,
I don't feel like it's short enough.
why are you doing that?
So then you step outside and you feel the cold you just might. You don't look.
Cold never bothered me anyway.
Quite hear that feeling, can they? Then you
Mommy, I want up
You
here.
look more like a squashy now. We are gone.
I can't, I'll have a tan forehead and the back of my head will be white.
Drumstick squashy.
A drum squash sticky.
Well, this is quicker than I thought it was going to be.
You get a Mark 3?
Look at scared. You
Get a Mark.
God.
Oh,
But I just cut you, she digs it out of my skull. No, I don't know.
That's the only one that I-
No, I'm fine.
No, you're not bleeding on
Nah,
onions.
I'm not bleeding at all, I swear.
Did you cut?
I think that idea is good. No, it's not.
No, last time so my hair was okay.
Mom.
Yeah?
What?
Last time so my hair was okay, it was
That really
awful.
wasn't. That was like patchy.
Mom.
I need to go left to right, side to side, double diagonal and everything. Whatever. The eyebrows are worth an extra fiver, aren't they?
I've got no eyebrows.
I need
no
to have that
eyelashes, so-
X-rated.
Eyebrows, no eyelashes. I think we should be
Hey, got like a 12 plus on this.
No, it doesn't cut them down.
No, it's just a wee bit of skin that gets stuck, it's
No,
fine.
just get stuck because that's head's a bit weird shape.
Aye, been hot about too many times. Not a perfect skull shape.
Remember your daddy works by laying slabs. and
You actually
things
suit
and
that hoodie.
Suits the
I think
hoodie.
you threw that skin
Like a
to the
bald
lad.
head.
You did.
Oh my gosh, Robin, you're
I'd go.
right.
That's short enough.
That's it, short enough.
You know, again, my depravity knows no bounds, you can.
Or go and find a mirror.
Because that'll make a fucking great.
Dad, you look like Darren.
Oh, like Darren! Oh no! Oh no!
That's it, my lungs.
That's the smell. No.
Oh, that's actually no bad.
We're professionals in this house.
Broken mirror.
We're professional, terrible haircuts. That way. And it, like, turn it this way. And then go that way.
Alright.
Right, go then.
Whoa.
Round the back bit, get the back bits at the back. All the way round, right round to the other side. Right round to this side.
Let's get right down his neck. Let's go. Go. Is that good then?
Coming over here till Ola gets a shot.
Come to this side, look. Come to there. And then go from here
Right,
to
Robin,
there.
stay over here at the way.
Back and forwards.
Super.
Round here a wee bit. Make sure I don't miss my legs.
Look at this bit here. Look at this bit.
Dad,
Look.
what is doing? Like right now?
That's it. There we go.